Hi everyone, welcome back to this perfect mess and happy new year. We're back with a video, rather I'm back and I'm in the kitchen. As you can see, a little bit of changes, and I want to say thank you so much for the 2,600 and something of you that stuck. So last year we were not able to shoot a lot. No, we didn't break up. For those that reached out and asked, this is just a little bit of chit chat to catch you up, guys, on what has been going on. We didn't break up. Life was just lifing. A lot was going on. Career changes for us, for me, and that's just, if you follow me on Instagram at Sheeroh, you know we never broke up. I was posting there once in a while, but life happened and we were not able to stay consistent. But this year I am back. You'll be seeing a lot of me and probably Dennis sampling my food, because I'll stay in the kitchen. I'll be showing you food, because that way, if I show you something that I really love to do, which is now cooking, I'll be able to stay consistent and you guys will be able to see us here more often. So I'll be posting 2 short recipes every week. And today I want to make oat porridge. Oh, and also guys, we got engaged. I don't have the ring to show. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you know that. So we got engaged and I don't have the ring because I'm not used to working with the ring yet, but I'm hoping I'll figure that out as time goes by. I don't even know whether you're supposed to have it in the kitchen when washing and all that stuff. But that's the new updates. And as you can see, I'm using my hand, so if you see me with the ring, I'll be flashing it on there. Yeah, that will be the vibe here and there. But anyway, so let's get into the porridge, and I'm going to make it short and sweet, and I'm making oatmeal porridge. So anyways, as I was saying before the gas decided to disorient me, I'm making oatmeal porridge. It's really good for breakfast. I'll show you a lot of oat recipes, because oat is really good for your gut health. I mean, like anything, if you deal with constipation and all that stuff. So for the oatmeal porridge, I'm using 1 liter of water, and I'll let it warm up before I add my oats. I'll be showing you the rest of it. So my water is warm, and to my 1 liter of water, I'm going to add 200 grams of oats. I like to get the ones that are almost whole grain. Sometimes you go to the store and they are over crushed, so I like to get these ones because I also use them for my granola, and I'm going to also make another recipe for granola. So stay tuned, and I'm going to add it to my water and stir to just avoid clumping.
I don't care if it tears me apart. We couldn't let go from the get-go. I think we're past trying to hide who we are.
So guys, oats in general have so many health benefits. Among them, helping you if you have like issues with constipation, which is pretty common. You can have oats whichever way, either in porridge, in granola. Plain oats also are edible, and as you can see, my porridge is coming together. I'm trying to stir it. And also, oats can help you lose weight, and the logic is that they keep you full for a long time, and that way you take in less calories. So if you're looking for a food like to keep you full for a long time during the day, so that you don't have to eat a lot, then oats is the go-to. And as you can see, my porridge is thickening, and to eat, I'm going to add a glass of milk. It's just normal milk that we buy in the store. Okay, ours is semi-skimmed. Yeah. Oops. We put it in the pot, not outside, but yeah. So I'm going to let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and then my porridge will be ready to serve. So guys, we have our oats porridge over here. You can see the texture is great. And at this point you can add whatever you like. Some people add sugar, you can add cinnamon if you like, but I like to add mine, like I like to not have sugar in mine, but I'm going to add dried cranberry and raisins, and I'll show you serving it. I'll just let it cool a little bit because I don't want to drink boiling porridge. So guys, my oatmeal porridge, or my oatmeal, is ready to serve, and as you can see it's very textured, and I'm just going to serve it. So here you have it, and I'm going to add my favorite toppings. These are raisins and dried cranberries. So I have this. Just going to add toppings. It makes it way better. But you can add whatever you like, bananas, whatever fruit that makes you happy. And so I'm going to mix up my toppings, and then I'm going to add my blueberries. Healthy, tasty, quick to make. This whole recipe should take you like 20 minutes. It's not bad for a healthy meal. So guys, that's all for the oat porridge. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know in the comment section what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.